Morocco is charting an integrated future path, combining royal vision and national reforms in politics, economy, and society with responsible technological development and artificial intelligence. By mastering programming and algorithms, and leveraging the expertise of scholars and specialists, Morocco ensures the success of higher studies, research, and academic oversight, guaranteeing sustainable innovation and development. This approach respects social justice and balance across all layers of society, while enhancing Morocco's regional influence in Africa and the Atlantic, positioning the country as a civilizational model that unites ethics, science, and technology for a safe, just, and healthy future for all.